tugboat, for its size, is... Shit! The tugboat, for its size, is...
A tugboat and a friendly tugboat too. Oh, Dorothy.
This is Tugs.
I'm gonna fly some planes into a couple buildings in
To run a fleet of tugs, you have to be prepared to take on any job. To run a fleet of tugs, one of the most difficult and dangerous was handling the big naval munition fleet of tugs.
What the hell?
On this day, I remember Hercules had towed the naval tramper Kraken from the base up the coast. And as if that wasn't enough, he had to suffer the officious naval tug, Blue Nose.
I'm finished here, old darling. Attention, nothing. Moving out.
And you don't you're in there.
Check all you like, sweetheart. I'm needed elsewhere.
You're under Navy jurisdiction.
Hello.
Oh, you fucking
Yuck, that Blue Nose. He's orders mad. Orders come before common sense in naval terms.
I better barney with him too, Hercules. Keep those boys in line, he shouts.
Swallow, Jay, my dear. I'm going to have me a bit of a rest at the coal depot. It's been a hard tow and I feel a bit low.
Yeah, oh.
I slept near not there far this there. Sneer him over his
We should work together, not fight each other.
Shut the fuck up.
Ahoy now! Ahoy now! You! Oi, you! Red thing! Collect some foul body.
I'm standing by, waiting for
And
orders.
those orders are cancelled.
What the fuck?
Right, Starfleet, we're on servicing naval maneuvers again. OJ's laying marker buoys in the old dock area. Remember, no shortcuts. Use the official entry. You're lucky. Stack's fleet have got the explosive.
Diarrhea.
So give them a wide berth. Make myself clear, warrior. No high wakes.
I don't make high wakes, Captain Stark. This means we'll have Blue Nose f***ing around us. I can't stand that d***. What a terrible bore he is with his orders, isn't it? You do the garbage detail then.
5 minutes later.
Now listen, you two.
No. Why?
The Blue Nose
is a deadly laser.
If Blue Nose gives you different orders, ignore him and refer him to me.
Oh, okay.
Ahoy! Ahoy there! Ahoy! You with the oil barge. You're in my way and you're idle. I don't like idle parties. If I order you to jump, you 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 jump.
Oh no, Big Mickey's dock is going up.
Move out, everyone! It's going over!
Sideways.